Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is JV. In today's video, we'll learn how to create this comic effect in Photoshop. Let's get started. So let's start by creating a duplicate of the original layer. Now hide the duplicate layer and select the original layer. Now go to Image, Adjustments, Posterize. Now add the oil paint filter to this layer. Also add the color halftone filter. Now in the color halftone filter, make sure all these values are at 45. Hit OK. Now that's it for this layer. Select the duplicate layer, rasterize it and desaturate. Now make the highlights brighter and shadows darker using the levels. Add the Find Edges filter. Now change the blend mode to multiply. And that's pretty much it. Now here's a little trick. If you want to reduce the amount of the effect, select the layer style mask and paint it grey. Now as we know, in a layer mask, black is used to hide and white is used to show. So the darker your grey is, the lower the opacity of the effect. Now you can see the before and the after. I hope you guys liked this video. If you're new to this channel, a subscribe would be really appreciated. Also don't forget to like this video and leave a comment down below to tell me what tutorial you would like to see next. I'll see you guys again in the next video.